Boom.
Salt, pepper.
Boom.
No eggs.
Hold up, no eggs.
No eggs.
Hold up.
You can't make an egg sandwich without no eggs.
They're over there, aren't
The
they?
thing is,
mate.
this should take 2. Because if you take 1 and Sam pressed the buttons, we weren't filming.
We weren't filming, was it?
Right. This is getting canny time. Today we're going to show you how to make the perfect, and we mean the perfect, fried egg sandwich.
How many eggs, Bradley?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
You want a yolk either side of the bread or the sandwich. When you cut it, bosh, you're ready to go each side.
Lovely.
See all these calf owners, Tone? They're tight.
Bro.
Proper tight.
Jesus
Proper tight
Christ.
fisted.
What bread we using?
Danish.
Danish. Look at that. Lovely. Look at the shine on
It's
that.
like a D. You see why it's Danish? It looks like a D.
Oh, that's why they call it Danish.
bread, because it looks
Is
like a
it?
D.
Yes.
And when you butter that
no.
bread, I ain't going to teach Tone how to cook eggs, but...
You are?
I'm
You're
going
gonna
to
cook eggs,
Yeah. Butter to the edge.
I'll butter to the edge. You've got to butter to the edge. Listen, if you're going to butter your own bread, butter to the edge.
Butter to the edge, right.
If you're not going to butter to the edge, don't butter it. Just don't put no butter on it. Look, 2 Ds, double Ds. Getting your oil in there, are you, Bradley?
Double D's.
Double Ds.
When you put your oil in, you need to use a lot of oil. Right, you want to cover the whole pan with your oil.
Yeah.
Okay?
Get that up to a nice temperature. That's already on, is it?
It's already on. The pan's already warming off.
Look at that, mate.
What you want to do, when you cook your fried egg, the
I've got
worst
this
thing to do is to have your heat too high. Because all you're going to do is you're going to burst the egg, you're going to blister the egg, and it's going to get all burnt around the edges.
Well, they go horrible and crispy.
Horrible.
And
You want it white.
and you want a nice yolk?
Yellow
Nice
yolk.
yolk on it. Oh,
Yellow yolk, and you want it white. So
Right.
ready. Right.
Yeah.
Heat's on. Right, here we go.
I've got an easy job, haven't I, today?
You got an easy job.
I'm just going to butter some bread, mate.
I'm the nervous one because if I break this egg like a div,
Oh, I hope he breaks that.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope he breaks that.
What I do, I'll drop the white in like that, and then I'll drop the yolk in on top. Right?
Oh, that's very clever.
That's how I do it.
That is very
That's
clever.
how I do it, right?
Oh, Bradley.
Just to show you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Let me show you again.
Go on. Go on. Go on, mate.
You know what it's like when you crack
Oh,
an egg?
here we go. Here we go.
That's it, there's the white, and there's the yolk.
Have you ever seen an egg cooked like that before?
And that's how you
Never
cook
seen
an
an
egg.
egg cooked like that before.
That's how you cook an egg, people.
Hold on,
Right,
hold on.
what you do, you get the heat going, you sort of spoon out as well.
Yep.
So what you want to do, you want to baste the egg with the oil. So instead of flipping the egg, because you've got a chance of ruining the yolk when you flip the egg, let that cook. And that's it. Get the oil going round. Get the oil going over the egg.
Oh, yes.
Over the egg. Keep it low. Low and slow. Low and slow.
Mate. Take care of it. Take care of it. Listen.
Cooking is all about love.
It's all about love. Why do you want to be putting stuff into your body that you've not took care of?
No, exactly that.
And it makes it taste better. You put a bit of love into it, a little bit of time, a little bit of consideration.
My old woman always says to me, I know when you cook brothers with love. When you
She
cook
knows,
with
mate.
love, my brothers, it tastes better.
Yeah. I bet she does.
She tells me. Slow and low, brothers. Slow and low.
Slow and low. Right, look, Sam, what was we saying about butter? When you're buttering your bread, look. Get
Right
some
to
butter
the
on there.
edge.
Right to the edge. And get some butter on there. Listen.
Nice. Don't be
This
afraid
ain't
of
Weight,
butter.
this ain't Weight Watchers, is it?
No, no.
You know what I mean? You want it to make it taste nice.
No.
Right to the edge. Look at this. Look. Look at that, Sam. Sam, you know you can eat that right now, innit? You love that, didn't you?
Bread your thing, Sam.
I love a bit of bread.
There we go, mate. Look. Look.
Bread stands
Look,
thing.
see? Look. Woo. Beautiful. Right, your butter. Mate, I'm done.
You're done.
I'm
I'm
done.
nearly done.
I'm done.
This takes how many minutes, Sam?
3.5 minutes.
What I'm doing now, I'm getting the oil, hot oil, and instead of flipping that egg, I'm putting that egg on the yolk, so I know that yolk's cooked. I don't want it snotty
When do you
egg
salt and pepper that up, Brad?
when it goes in the sandwich.
When it goes in the sandwich. Hey, look. I'll be alright, I'm just chilling out. Look, I'm going to relax, I'm going to have a beer, I'm going to break, cook an egg. They do look good, mate. They do look good.
You want to go until it goes to a white skim over the top of the yolk.
Yeah,
See that? That's it. That's me done.
Yeah.
Heat off.
And then
Heat
yeah,
off.
mate.
Done.
Do you want one of them, do you?
One of them.
Oh, what about a plate? Do we need a plate
We need
for
a
this?
plate, because I don't listen. We ain't dinosaurs, cuz.
Let's give you a plate, shall I?
Right, we'll get that egg there like that.
Let's move that over a little bit, Brad.
Get underneath there, Tone. Oh,
You alright?
There we go, there we go. There we go. Get the excess oil off.
Go on, mate. Shall I sort her up?
Oh, sort of. Let me get this one on first.
Go on then, go on. Oh, is she gone? Is she gone? Oh, look at that.
Excess oil.
Look at that, mate. Oh, Brad.
Take that off there,
Should
Tone.
I get her off there? Shall I?
Skim
Oh, there you
off
go.
for me,
Look.
skim off for me.
Oh, didn't need me, did you? Look, I'm going to sort her up, Brad.
Bit of salt and pepper
Look, a
on
little
that,
bit more.
cuz.
Look, bosh. Bit of pepper for you.
That's flamboyancy.
Look, what, ready? Look.
Go on, from a height. Do it from a height.
Oh. Bosh.
Now, listen, you can ruin it by putting some ketchup in, but we ain't gonna.
No way.
We ain't gonna. Get your bread. Flop the bread over the top. Now it's gonna ooze out that, Sam.
You think?
Well, depends how you cut it. I might go straight through the...
Oh, go on.
I'm gonna catch it, I'm gonna catch it.
Go on. I'll hold you down. Ready?
Sean.
Should we show him?
Show
You
'em.
ready for this, people?
Show 'em.
Oh, bread.
Show 'em.
Oh, bread.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey? And that's how you cook the perfect fried egg sandwich.
Oh, bread.
Sunny side up.
Sunny side up.
Hiya!
Until next time.
Till next time. Bye! Bye.